What's up, everybody? This is Pastor Joe Manaway. I'm the assistant pastor and director of Youth and Young Adult Ministries here at Second Baptist Church, Las Vegas, and I got some news I want to share with you. Stay right there.
Hart, what's going on?
I'm leaving.
Why? What did I do?
Not enough. You constantly ignore me. You barely eat anything healthy. You're half as active as you used to be. The pressure is just too much. I quit.
Okay, I get it. I'll do better. Just please, don't leave.
Okay. But remember, if I go, you go.
Listen to your heart. Don't let it quit on you. Uncontrolled high blood pressure could lead to stroke, heart attack, or death. Get yours to a healthy range before it's too late.
It's already that time of year again, family. It's time for our Youth and Young Adult Celebration 2016. On August 10th, we'll be here at Second Baptist. We have a lot of presenters who will be presenting to our young people on that day. We have a few officers coming in talking about the connection between officers and how we conduct ourselves. We have a budgeting presenter teaching us how to save our coins. We have CSN and maybe some representatives from UNLV talking about college prep and those different types of things. Towards the end of the night, we'll be splitting. We're going to have girls on one side, guys on another side. We have presenters talking to girls. We have presenters talking to guys. And also, I have a special cutout time for my babies between the ages of 5 and 10. So bring your young people out. That's August 10th, right here at Second Baptist. On August 11th, we'll be at Doolittle Community Center. That's that Thursday. And we have a bunch of games, so we'll be there from 5:30 to 6. We'll be setting up and praying and all that good stuff. And from 6 to 9, we got basketball. We got life-size Hungry Hippo. We got Zumba. We got pizza, which is kind of weird because we're going to be exercising and eat pizza. But just come on out. That's open to everybody. Bring everybody. Friday, we'll be back here. Friday the 12th, we'll be back here at Second Baptist Church with our young adults. Specifically, I need everybody from the age of 16 to 35 to meet me here at Second Baptist for our young adult forum. This is a space and time where it's going to be raw, it's going to be real, and it's going to be relevant, in the words of my brother Derek Harris. We're going to have an open discussion forum of whatever we want to talk about. We're going to be tweeting questions, Facebooking questions. We have anonymous text where you can text your questions in. We're going to be talking about everything from salvation to God to sex, how to save money, whatever kind of questions you got, we're going to be talking about them. We got an amazing panel of people who's going to be helping us address those issues. On Saturday, we rest. Sunday morning, we're back here in the sanctuary to conclude our annual celebration with my brother, Pastor Antoine Richardson. He's going to be our preacher both at 8 and 11, as well as our young people have been preparing both a great processional and an amazing skit that they'll be doing at 11 a.m. that you do not want to miss. Again, that's Wednesday, August 10th here in the sanctuary. Thursday, August 11th at Doolittle Community Center at 6 p.m. for both those nights. Then we'll be back here Friday the 12th at 6 p.m. and then we'll be here August 14th in the sanctuary at 8 and 11 to conclude our celebration. I need to see your face in the place. If you need any more information, just Google us, look us up. Y'all find me on Facebook or whatever, and we'll be glad to see you. God bless you.